Hi guys, Karen here. I get this question a lot of what do you need in order to get started in the industry if you are brand new. So as a brand new lash artist, I highly recommend you start with a small kit. It's where you get the most out of your money. So at Lash Boulevard, we offer a small kit where you will have enough products for at least 30 applications. In this kit, you'll have everything you need from the glues, the tweezers, the nano mister, everything you need. And then from there, you can start adding to your kit as you grow your business. So for classic lashes, we recommend you purchase the 0.15s on C or CC curl, which are the most common curls, or for volume, the 0.07 C or CC curls as well, because those are the most common ones. I also recommend that you start buying mixed trays on different curls so that you start to know which curls you're using, which sizes of lashes you're using the most. So sometimes if you use more of the 12, more of the 13s, those are the ones you're gonna invest on a full tray. And as you start getting busier and busier as a lash artist, then you can start buying as many products and different products as you like. So you can give options to your customers and you can get creative. I hope you're enjoying our tips. For more tips and tricks and product information, don't forget to go to lashboulevard.com.